Guten Tag. Hello, and welcome to your very first German class. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. Today's objective: by the end of this lesson, you'll know 25 essential German words that will form the foundation of everything you learn going forward. These are the most important words you need to start speaking German. Why are we starting with these specific words? Because these are the building blocks. You can't build sentences without basic vocabulary. And I've chosen the most useful words, the ones you'll use every single day in German. Think of this as your German starter pack. Now, I know German pronunciation can seem intimidating at first. All those umlauts and unfamiliar sounds, but here's the secret. German pronunciation is actually much more consistent than English. Once you learn the rules, you can pronounce almost any German word. I'm going to show you exactly how to say each word perfectly. Ready? Los geht's. Let's go. All right, let's start with greetings. These are the first words you need in any language. Word number 1, hello. This means hello. Very similar to English. Hello. 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 Easy, right? Word number 2, Guten Tag. This also means hello, but more literally, it means good day. This is a very common greeting. Good day. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Notice the T sound in Tag is hard, not soft. Guten Tag. Word number 3, Auf Wiedersehen. This means goodbye. It's a bit formal. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Pro tip: in casual conversation, Germans often just say Tschüss for bye. Much easier. Word number 4, Danke. This means thank you. Super important for politeness. Thank you. Danke. Danke. And if you want to say thank you very much, add schön. Danke schön. Danke schön. Word number 5, Bitte. This is interesting. It means 3 things. It means please, you're welcome, and here you go. Please. Bitte. Bitte. When someone says Danke, you respond Bitte. Now let's learn some essential question words. Word number 6, Ja. This means yes. Yes. Ja. 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 Pronounced like ja, not ja. The J in German sounds like Y in English. Word number 7, Nein. This means no. No. Nein. Nein. Rhymes with fine or wine. 9. Word number 8, Wie. This means how. Essential question word. How are you? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? V is pronounced like V. The W in German sounds like V in English. Very important. Word number 9, Was. This means what? Another essential question word. What is that? Was ist das? Was ist das? The S sounds like a V here. Was. Word number 10, Wo. This means where. Where is the bathroom? Wo ist die Toilette? Wo ist die Toilette? Common mistake alert. Students confuse wie and wo because they sound similar. Wie is how, wo is where. Practice both. Now let's learn some basic nouns. Word number 11, Das Wasser. This means water. Notice I said das Wasser? That's because German nouns have 3 genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Das is the neuter article. The water. Das Wasser. Das Wasser. And notice the W sounds like V. Wasser. Word number 12. Der Kaffee. This means coffee. Der is the masculine article. The coffee. Der Kaffee. Der Kaffee. Kaffee is masculine in German. Word number 13. Das Bier. This means beer. Very important word in Germany. The beer. Das Bier. Das Bier. Beer is neuter. Word number 14. Das Brot. This means bread. The bread. Das Brot. Common mistake alert. Students confuse wie and wo because they sound similar. Wie is how, wo is where. Practice both. Now let's learn some basic nouns. Word number 11. Das Wasser. This means water. Notice I said das Wasser? That's because German nouns have 3 genders: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Das is the neuter article. The water. Das Wasser. Das Wasser. And notice the W sounds like V. Wasser. Word number 12. Der Kaffee. This means coffee. Der is the masculine article. The coffee. Der Kaffee. Der Kaffee. Kaffee is masculine in German. Word number 13. Das Bier. This means beer. Very important word in Germany. The beer. Das Bier. Das Bier. Beer is neuter. Word number 14. Das Brot. This means bread. The bread. Das Brot. Word number 20. Die Frau. This means the woman. The woman. Die Frau. Die Frau. Feminine, so we use die. Word number 21. Das Kind. This means the child. The child. Das Kind. Das Kind. Neuter, so das. Word number 22. Gut. This means good. Good. Gut. The U sound is important. Say oo, then round your lips more. Gut. Word number 23. Sehr. This means very. Very good. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. You'll hear sehr gut all the time in Germany. It's like saying great or excellent. Word number 24. Eins. This is the number 1. Let's count a bit. 1. Eins. Eins. 2. Zwei. Zwei. 3. Dry. Dry. Word number 25. Deutschland. This means Germany. Germany. Deutschland. Deutschland. Notice how we say Deutschland? That EU sound is special. All right, practice time. I'm going to say 3 phrases in English. Pause and try saying them in German. Phrase 1. Thank you. Pause now. Answer, Danke. How did you do? Phrase 2. How are you? Try it. Answer, Wie geht's? Perfect. Give it a shot. Answer, Sehr gut. Excellent. If you got all 3, you're already speaking German. If you got 1 or 2, that's great too. You're learning. Before we finish, let me address the 2 biggest challenges beginners face with German. First, the 3 genders. Der, die, das. I know it seems random, but there are patterns. We'll learn them in future lessons. For now, just memorize each noun with its article. Second challenge, German pronunciation. The W sounds like V, the V sounds like F, the J sounds like Y. It's backwards from English. But once you learn these patterns, German pronunciation becomes very predictable, much easier than English spelling. Okay, let's recap everything. Today you learned 25 essential German words. Greetings like Hallo and Guten Tag. Thank you and please. Danke and Bitte. Yes and no. Ja and nein. Question words. Wie, was, wo. Basic nouns with their genders. Der Kaffee, das Wasser, die Milch. Pronouns. Ich, du, sie. And useful words like gut and sehr. Look at what you can do now. You can greet people, say thank you, ask basic questions, and order coffee or water in German. That's incredible for your first lesson. You're officially speaking German. Your homework. Practice these 25 words out loud every day this week. Say each one 10 times. Get comfortable with the pronunciation. Write down your favorite 5 and comment them below. I'll check your progress. Next class, we're learning German greetings and basic phrases, complete expressions you can use right away in real conversations. This is going to be fun. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work today. Bis bald. See you soon.